Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today, I'm going to introduce you a DIY face mask which can help to nourish your skin and reduce pigmentation and wrinkles. The main ingredient in this natural face mask today is this okra. It is especially recommended for those who are suffering from dry skin with wrinkles and pigmentation. Okra nutrition provides many health benefits, while applying it on skin can also return the glow of your face if you apply it on your skin at least 2 times per week. Regular application of okra face mask helps to cure dry skin and also repairs a lot of common skin problems. Some people are turned off by okra's slimy inner consistency. However, the most important aspect of the okra is the mucilage it contains, the slime, which is one of the major contributors to okra's beneficial effects. Applying this slimy okra mask on your face can increase your skin's moisture levels and firm your face naturally. It also helps to rejuvenate damaged skin. Now, let us see how to make this anti-aging face mask just by using okra. Wash the okra clean under a running tap. After that, boil the okra until they become soft. After letting them cool, mash them with a spoon. And then apply the slimy substance on clean face. After 30 minutes, wash your face using cold water. Your skin should feel soft and smooth. Firstly, wash the okra clean and then cut the head off. Then put the okra into a blender. Add a little water into the blender. Blend well until it forms a thick paste. Pour the mixture into a bowl. After that, apply the paste on clean face and wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse off with cold water. This mask will return the glow of your skin and gives better results than those expensive chemical-loaded face masks out there. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe my channel if you find my video helpful. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.